Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick but essential tutorial on how to connect and activate your Elementor Pro license in WordPress. Whether we're setting up workflows in Zoho Books or building websites here in WordPress, getting your premium tools properly synced is always a crucial step. Let's jump right in. Once you have installed the Elementor Pro plugin, you need to link it to your account to get automatic updates and access all the premium features. The easiest way to do this is to head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and look for the prompt to connect and activate. Alternatively, you can navigate to Elementor, open the editor, look at the left panel under the System field, and click on License. Keep in mind that this license option will only appear if you actually have Elementor Pro installed and activated on your site. After you click Connect and Activate, a new connection window will pop up. It will display a default username, which is usually the email tied to your account. Take a quick second to verify that this is the correct email. If it's not, simply click Switch User and log right into the correct account. For those of you managing multiple projects who might have more than one Elementor subscription, you'll see a drop-down menu. Just select the specific subscription you want to apply to this website and then hit Connect and Activate one last time. Now, in some rare cases, your license might get a little glitchy and you'll need to rethink it to restore your Pro status. If that happens, don't panic. Just go back to your WordPress admin panel, navigate to Elementor, select Editor, open that System field again, and click on License. From there, hit the Disconnect button. Next, you'll want to log into your actual My Elementor dashboard on their website and officially deactivate the license for this specific site. Finally, clear your browser cache just to be completely safe, and then run through the connection process we just covered to link everything back up. And that's all there is to it. Your Elementor Pro account is now fully connected, synced, and ready to go. If this quick guide helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more straightforward tech and software tutorials. See you in the next one.